Earning money online is a simple task. Don't overcomplicate the process so that you can make more money. So in today's video, we'll be talking about 5 awesome tips for beginners to get your sales on Redbubble as soon as you start uploading your designs. Number 1, upload copyright free designs. So if you are uploading designs to Redbubble and you are working hard to make good designs for Redbubble, the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to a website which is known as trademarkia.com. Go to this website and check out whatever the text you are using in your designs or whatever the types of designs which you are going to create or taking inspiration from, because if your designs are copyrighted, there is a great chance that they will be taken down by Redbubble, and you don't want that to happen. So just check out the copyright, do your research, and this will give you a great edge, because not all the people are doing this, and that's the reason why they are uploading thousands of designs but they are not getting sales, as well as their designs are getting removed. Second tip, this is very important because this is something which I have found from my experience. Now the second thing is that you need to remember that in your first month, when you start uploading your designs to Redbubble, you need to make a target of uploading 100 designs to your Redbubble, and all those designs should be niche specific. This is something which can really do wonder to your shop and get you sales very quickly. Third tip, check out my video on Redbubble SEO, as well as try to watch other YouTubers video who teach about how to do search engine optimization on Redbubble. Now this can really help you to drastically boost your listings and get more sales, because the more eyeballs come towards your shop, the more sales you get. And that's the reason why you should learn SEO and invest your time in learning search engine optimization so that you can get more sales and absolutely earn more money. Fourth tip, this is really important, and that is getting niche specific. This is really interesting because if I am someone who is searching for a fitness sticker, then I will go to Redbubble and search for a shop which sells some fitness stickers. Okay, so once I found the shop, if I find that it has a lot of variety of stickers which are just related to fitness, then there is a great chance that I won't buy just one, but I will buy 2, 3, 4 more stickers. So getting niche specific can help you greatly to earn more on Redbubble, because your customers may find something which is related to their interest, and even some another thing which is also related to their interest, and in this way they will buy more and you will get more sales. And this is going to be really something which not all the people are doing who are new to Redbubble, and this can give you a very good edge so that you can make more sales and start earning money. Tip number 5 is very important, which is following the trends. Whatever the things are trending in the world are the things which people are searching the most, and that's the reason why you can get more sales on those things. So just go to Google Trends, or you can also go to Bubble Trends. Now these are the websites which I often utilize to find trends, and I specifically stick myself towards creating designs which are related to trends, because there is a great chance that those designs will sell very fast, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money with this strategy. And this strategy is something which most of the YouTubers or most of the creators will suggest to you, and even I am going to suggest this strategy to you, because this is something which works really awesome and you can get your sales absolutely quickly. So I hope you have got some value out of this video, and I have been working on Redbubble since 2 months, and this is whatever the experience I have, I am sharing it with you. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.